look at. What have you sent? Honestly, luckiest. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, what? It's just the packaging of Nars, but okay. Let's open these out. So excited right now, you guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So they sent me 3 shades of their light reflecting collection because I am hard to match. 1, 2, 3. They also sent me this. And let me see. This is a translucent crystal light reflecting setting powder pressed. I've never tried this. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Right, Nars. And then they also sent me this, which is also this is in the color Shore Light Reflecting Setting Powder. And I read about this, that this is supposed to be amazing. So I'm going to try this whole thing out. And it's a great Monday. Nars, thank you. Thank you. Hi, you guys. I just got out of the shower. I put some vitamin C on and some SPF with a little bit of glow, but I want to try these new Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. So just looking at these 3 colors, I think Stromboli and Punjab would probably be best for me. But let's go ahead and swatch them on my face to see. I do have a yellow undertone. So we will start with Stromboli. Stromboli. Oh, that's beautiful. That is kind of perfect. That's kind of perfect. That's Stromboli. All right, let's try Punjab. Not as yellow. Yeah. Maybe these 2 mixed. See, when it blends in though, it kind of works. Oh my God, though, look at that coverage though. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna mix Punjab and Stromboli because I have them. I'm lucky to have them, but I think they're similar. The Stromboli is a little more with a yellow undertone. And mix them. Anything that is light reflecting and lighter than a foundation, like a skin tint, I am actually obsessed with. So I already knew I was gonna love this. I already knew. She already knew. Ah, the glow. I go right over the eyes. I have no shame. The glow. Oh my God. Are you actually serious right now? So this is the coverage in natural light. I am obsessed. I actually think I used too much. I went kind of wild because I was mixing 2. I think you need less, and instead of using a brush, I would have probably used my hands or maybe a sponge. I think that would be better application. If you guys have tried the new light reflecting foundation from Nars, please put a note if you used a brush, a blender, or your hand. I'm gonna try different techniques, but like the glow is like killing me right now, so I gotta do the rest of my makeup. It's so good. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Custard by Nars also, and this is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer just because we're doing Nars. And this stuff is very high coverage, and it's in a little pot, so the consistency is like thicker than like a liquid concealer, so it's really gonna get that job done. And I think this color is kind of perfect for me. It's not too light. It's just perfect. But you know what I'm gonna set this with? That new Nars powder that they just sent me. Yes! Okay, you guys, I tried to set with this, but I'm not sure I know how to use it yet because I haven't done research, because check it out. It comes with this little sponge, but when you pick the product up, it's almost like not there. So I did set my face with it, but I have no idea if it's actually, I have to do the research. See, I just try to put things on without reading about them first, but I think it's so light because they don't want it to disrupt like the glow of the light reflecting foundation, I think, but I will let you guys know later when I research. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Nars Vallarta, or if you like to call it Vallarta, but this is a matte bronzer, and I'm just gonna bronze up my skin. So on me, this is a very light. It doesn't have a lot of pigment on my color, which is perfect because I get to go crazy with it, and I love, love, love going crazy with a bronzer and like layering them. So this is my first layer, and also sets the face, and we'll go in with something a little bit darker to contour. Okay, now we're gonna go in with something much darker, and I'm sorry, is it Samoa? I don't remember, but it's much, much darker. The label's ripped off the back. Samantha, bad Samantha. And I'm just gonna go and contour that nose a little bit. Why do I have an accent today? I have to get ready quick and go pick up my daughter. Okay, I haven't even put my brows on, so I'll blend this out, but as you can see, I'm getting pretty good contour of the nose. Should we contour anything else? Sure, because, you know, we like to contour, don't we? I just don't contour. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? Oh no, I hit that too hard. I don't contour that much anymore just because I'm just gonna go right above here because I already have a slim face as I mature, so I don't need to chop out or cut out my cheekbones any more than they already are. So I would really not want to like cut that in any deeper because you know how it is. You know what I'm saying, girls? Okay, so now let me just quickly do my brows. I don't have any Nars products, so I'm gonna go in and do my brows real quick. This is the Nars Full Dimension like blush and bronzer palette, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hit them all up pretty much. I mean, I could have used this to contour too, but I think I'm just gonna use it as a woohoo, hi. I'm getting a little crazy all over the damn face. Because blush disappears, right? You put like a ton on and then you look and it's all gone. So is the Orgasm mini palette. I love these so much. Last time I checked, this was sold out, but it is on my Amazon, not my Amazon store, my Instagram store. If you click the link in my bio, I have a whole shoppable Instagram little store. So I'm just gonna use this nice little bronze color. Oh, I didn't even take the mirror off. Damn it, can't see. The struggle, ladies, is real. There we are. I'm just gonna go right over. This is so easy and so beautiful. Look at this freaking color, you guys. God damn, it's so good, it's so good. I had to turn the fan on because I'm having a hot flash, but then I'm gonna use this light little highlight color here. This on the edges, and then this little highlight color, I already used it on my nose, and I'm just gonna actually highlight with it. Ooh, because I don't have a Nars. Oh, I do have a Nars highlighter somewhere. God knows where it is. Oh my God, it's actually really beautiful. I should find that. Oh, that's so pretty. And then I'm just gonna go with the gold, like right over the top, just right in the center there. And I like to use my fingers just because it's hella easy, to be honest. And then, since I don't have any black, liner, I think, from Nars, so I'm going to go ahead and use another little, I'm going to use a black eyeshadow from Shades by Shan and just kind of like stamp out a little. Before I do anything else, I'm going to set her, and I'm going to use the Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. This stuff is hella good if you want your makeup to stay all day, and if you work so hard on it. Oh, we got some sun here. If you work so hard on it. The Nars Augustine Unwrapped Audacious Lipstick. Oh my God, you guys, but can you, I'm gonna add something lighter in the center because you know I like a serious. Actually just added some concealer to the center of my lips. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of liner. All right, you guys, this is the end of the look. I didn't have time to do my hair. Maybe I'll do a full shot after, but this is all Nars makeup. It's so beautiful, and I'm loving it. And the real hero of the story is the new Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. And again, this is in Stromboli, and what the actual full face of Nars. I just realized it wouldn't be a Stung by Samantha video if I didn't come into my closet to get the final look, because for some reason I got the best lighting in my closet. Nobody knows why, but this is the full look of the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation in Stromboli, and the rest of the makeup all Nars. And what can I say? It's damn good.